Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for this video we're going to walk through how to do a screen recording using the app that's already on your Windows 10 machine. So Windows 10 has a built-in app. You can get there a couple of ways. If you hit hold down the Windows button on the bottom left and hit G, then it will pop up. And so this is, it's actually, as you can see from the icon, it's an Xbox app for recording. And so it's got some different things, different options that you can kind of play with if you want to. But the one that we really care about here is right here with the recording button. All right, so when I start recording, it's going to have this little bar up in the top right, and this is kind of important. So I have to have the app that I want to be using, I have to have it selected because it won't let me switch. So I'm using a secondary screen recording right now to do this. So I'm actually doing two screen recordings at once. So when I open up my Teams app, you guys can see it and I can see it. But if I stop my video here at the 30-second mark, go back into Windows G. Now when I want to see my captures, I just click Show All Captures. And, well, where'd it go? As you can see, this thing is a little bit testy, so let's try this again. Alright, so I'm recording now, blah, 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 blah. Gonna open Teams, but it's not gonna capture Teams. That was about at the 7-second mark. Gonna minimize again. I'm going to stop recording. And there it is right there, I see it. But it's not popping up. Why is it not popping up? Oh, is that it? There we go. Okay, so it just took it a second to populate. It was probably saving. All right, so there's both of them. Let's use this one, though, as the sample so you can kind of see. So if I run through the sample, let's try this again. I'm going to mute it so you don't hear me twice. But as I run through the sample, you're going to see that about the 7 or 8 second mark when we switched over, it doesn't switch over. So it's only capturing Chrome. All right, so when you do this, you need to keep that in mind, that you need to have Chrome selected, and I would shut everything else down except for your moon phases map in Chrome, and then do your screen recording from there. All right, because if you don't, it is possible you may have to do this multiple times. But when you click Show All Captures, it's going to bring this up, this menu right here. But you can click this right here, the Open in File Explorer, and it'll actually take you to the folder. That way you know where those screen captures are going. So in my case, it's just putting it in the videos folder, and then it created a little captures subfolder. All right, so, but as you can see from my videos folder, I got a lot of junk in there. So you can use that feature as well. All right, guys.